Today, I want to show you all how to find passwords in Windows. Windows keeps a record of all our networks and their passwords, so we don't have to type the password again to connect to the same network. We can recover our forgotten Wi-Fi password by running a couple of quick netsh commands using Windows command prompt. Prompt and type netsh show profile in the command prompt and press enter to show a list of network names that we connect to. Note down the full name of the Wi-Fi network you want to find the password for. In my tutorial I have chosen ZTE_6185C2 as the Wi-Fi name. Type netsh show profile name equals Wi-Fi name key equals clear, substituting Wi-Fi name for the network name we just made a note of. For example, netsh show profile name ZTE_6185. Scroll through the results until we find an entry named key content. Our Wi-Fi password will